Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to set up order confirmation email in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. Those who haven't uh, seen my previous videos of how to configure the email, so first of all you can check that how to configure your email SMTP. Then email will work in that video. After that we will proceed with the how to set up order confirmation email in Magento 2. So how we are going to configure the order emails. So let's go to the admin panel. So here we are going to the admin panel, go to the stores, configuration. So here we need to go to the sales option. So we have sales, right? Here we need to configure all the things. So here we have to go for the order tab, right? So here you go to the journal, checkout, don't require, sales, emails, go to the order. So here we have the it is enabled, which email you want to configure. You can select or you can create it. So by default it is sales representative. New order confirmation template, that is new order by default, and for the guest it is this one. Okay, if you want to send order email copy to, so you can add it by comma separated, like test at gmail.com slash a comma another email test, something like that you can do, and it will send that email to another person, to that email address that you are adding over here, right? So I can add it over my address. So currently that is logged in, so I'm going to put my another sales configuration and go to the flush the cache management. Let's place an order and check. Already my account is logged in. Go to the iPhone. There is no Vivo, there is no, going to add to the cart. Go to checkout. Something went wrong with your no codes available. Go to the ship delivery methods. Disenabled. Courier shipping. Make it no. Because as maybe that module is creating the issues. Okay, let's go to the checkout. Is it 5? Let's put it on the city. IT. Developer. Next. Street of next. We're going to place this order, right? So this is my account. Like I need to check order placed. Okay, go to my email, sales order. So it is coming. Okay, so this is my whole email address, right? The whole the order that I have placed. Okay, so so here we next video, here we can configure. Here it is main store website, the logo is not coming. Okay, so next video we will check how to show that logo, or how can we can modify this email template. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.